Hello everyone, this is model number 308 earthquake detection and its monitoring over IoT. We will see the hardware part, step down transformer, voltage regulatory circuit, Arduino board, LCD display, USB 8266 Wi-Fi module. It is used to upload the data over IoT. These are the two vibrator sensors. So whenever the earthquake is detected by these two vibrator sensors, the data will be uploaded over the IoT. You can see here these are the two accelerometers which will give the direction, like in what direction the earth's surface has been tilted after the earthquake has taken place. So whenever the earthquake takes place, it will tilt in some other direction, whether it is x, y or that will be indicated. So that graph we are going to see in a processing code app. It will show. So first we will detect the or monitor the earthquake. So now we have detected, so it will be displaying vibrator detected. So these are the two accelerometers and this is the app or the processing code app I was talking about. So these are the two accelerometers. Suppose if the earth's surface tilts in the x direction, the x spike goes up. If y, then y. Then if z, then z spike goes up or down, and the x is indicated by the blue color, y with the green and z with the red. So now I will tilt this accelerometer, which means after an earthquake the earth's surface has been tilted, and that in what direction it has been tilted it will be showing here. So now it is in the z, so you can see here the red color graph has been taken a spike. Depending upon the value it will be taking a spike. So now it is been tilted in the x direction, which is indicated by the blue. So that you can see here the blue color graph has taken a spike. So likewise, correspondingly, in what direction the earth's direction has been tilted, it will be showing on this graph, this processing code app, and even this data will be uploaded over the IoT. IoT page, here the data will be uploaded over here. So you can see here this is for x, y, z. You can see here this is for the accelerometer 1, and x2, y2, z2 this is for the accelerometer 2. This is the vibrator 1 and vibrator 2. So whenever any vibration occurs, this value will increase one or both the vibrators value will increase. And these are the accelerometers reading. Here you can see here x1, x, y, z for the first, and x2, y2, z2 for the second accelerometer. According to that, it will take a spike. So now you can see here whenever the vibration occurs, so it has taken the value to the 1000, which means that the vibration has been taken place, which means earthquake has detected. So to detect in what direction, that will be indicated by this x, y, z and x2, y2, z2. Suppose if it detects the vibration in z direction, the z spike will goes up. So you can see here the z has increased its value towards 1000, whereas the x, y are showing the constant value. And even you can see here in the accelerometer 2, the z has taken a spike. Suppose if it moves in other direction, that particular direction will take a spike, whereas other two will remain constant. So now you can see here it has moved in the x direction, that is the earth's surface has been tilted in the x direction. So the x has taken a spike, y has remained constant, and even the z has dropped its value to 0. Then you can see here x, this is of the second accelerometer, x has increased its value to 1000, y is again 0, and even here z has decreased its value to the 0. So no vibration, it will be showing 0. Thank you.